Welcome to the Essemtec booth here at SMT Connect. Delighted to be joined by the new General Manager for Essemtec, Olivier Carnal. Nice to see you, Olivier.
Okay, so you heard it. The name is not so easy to spell. Olivier Carnal, a French name. I'm Swiss. I am of French and German tongue, but in fact I was born in New York, so I'm a guy who is
multicultural
at home, nowhere and everywhere at the same time. So I just joined the team 1 month ago, so I'm new to Essemtec. But of course I was in the industry 15, 20 years ago in other companies, so I know the industry. But I'm discovering Essemtec and its product, and I'm quite excited about all this.
Yeah, that's true. So you previously had quite a long history in the electronics industry and the semiconductor business as well. So what I want to talk to you about, though, is you're coming into Essemtec, which is part of the Nano Dimension stable.
Correct.
Where do you see, what is your strategy and your philosophy for developing the company and taking it forward, and where do you see the synergies with Nano Dimension?
Okay, so if I talk mainly from the Essemtec side, I would say the main vision is to become the worldwide leader in solutions for NPI and for high mix, low volume applications. So where you combine die, pick and place and dispense. And of course increase our worldwide presence. We want to be worldwide present and also renowned leader. If I come back to your questions regarding Nano Dimension, I think this opens up new opportunities. No, as you know, Nano Dimension very strong in additive manufacturing, also additive manufactured electronics. So by combining the know-how of Essemtec, die, pick and place and dispense, and the know-how of Nano Dimension, which is additive manufacturing, I think we can create new solutions that were unknown to the world before.
Right. I mean, there are opportunities there for 3D electronics, for example, where you're able to create the planar surface for pick and place to be able to put components onto a 3D object and that type of thing. So there's quite a few issues, potential things there. And potentially maybe what about on the dispensing side? Because you're very active on dispensing.
Yes, we're very active on the dispensing, so we have solutions for epoxy, for glue. We can jet the liquids. We can add the liquids in different ways to the substrate. So I think there we are known already as a leader in this domain. I think what we are good at is combining those different technologies in one machine. So you have two dispensers and you can add dispensing liquids, or you can dispense liquids in one or the other way in one machine.
Right, excellent. One area that we talked about just before we started as well was rework.
Yes.
So where do you see Essemtec fitting into the rework world? What do you think you can bring that?
So as I said, I just joined the company very recently, so I'm learning every day. But what I've understood is that we have very competitive solutions for rework. So whenever there's an expensive component in a subassembly, the customer wants to just replace this costly component. So you need to have a solution where you can go deep into the narrow space that is left between the components to place to replace also that component. Right. And so you need special dispense, you need special die pick and place heads, so that you can really go down. So at first sight it looks simple, but when you look at what the solution is really all about, it's quite complex, and I think we have all the expertise in-house to help our customers to solve this issue.
Excellent. Okay, great. So what else is happening in the world? Have you got any new things that are in development for later in the year for productronica?
Yes, of course, but I'm not allowed to say it today. Otherwise, our sales guy would go out and sell everything. No, what you see here already is 4 solutions for 4 different applications: rework, NPI, also printed electronics. And what we will show at Productronica is new dispensing solutions. We will also show integrated material management solutions. We have the first prototype here, where we can show how the customer can manage its stock and combine this stock with the production. So the speed is very high at the moment, so we will certainly have new stuff to present at Productronica.
Right, okay. Yeah, no, materials management is certainly one of the big growth areas at the moment in the industry.
Absolutely.
And being able to control
So we have
stock.
to team up with experts in that domain and have advanced programming interfaces so that we can interface with any high-end supplier or solution provider in that domain.
Right, okay. Well, you've got a lot ahead of you, Olivier, and I want to congratulate you on your appointment, and we'll look forward to hearing more from you maybe in a few months' time.
Trevor, thank you very much. It was a pleasure for me.